1075, that's LPG. Non-odorized. Borax. That was the marking on one of these covered hoppers. This is an outstanding train. Those are marked 2055. I'm not sure what that is, but some of you may know. Feel free to chime in. There's more LPG there. 1075. Green marker, I think it's 2187. Carbon dioxide refrigerated. All right, we got a lot of power. I think we had 6 up top. Gives us about 8. I'll count them again though. Don't hold me to that. All right, H1, 1113. And we've got a Tier 4 ET44C4. Oh, nice. We're at the Ardent Flour Mill here on Kendall Avenue in the city of Devore. Maybe Vermont. All right, we know you like what you see. Please subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. You can see that grain truck pulling in there. Share with your family and friends. And
828, I'm going to pull it up a little bit further because I'm going to line that 307 for myself.
You know what? It was only 4 minutes. You want another train? All right, let's do it. Buddy's got it all set up. Let's go. All right, Southern Pacific. All right. Buddy wanted me to lead you guys on and pretend like we were finishing, but hope he likes the way I did it. We practiced a couple times. We set up another beautiful combo. This was started out as an auto rack, and now it's going to be a port stack train. Union Pacific does that a lot. They'll mix them up. A couple of great catches here. Big power there on that UP. It's picking up speed too, going uphill. I may go up the pass and catch this one again, possibly, with that Southern Pacific locomotive. And I've already got a couple trains here, so about time to move on anyway. Hope you guys are all ready for the weekend. We sure are. Not sure what kind of train this is actually. Kind of a combo of a auto rack and a stack and a Z train. Yeah, we'll probably go up here to Blue Cut and catch it again. Get that Southern Pacific locomotive. Unless there's something else we see on the way, then we'll get that. All right, once again, we know you like what you see. Please subscribe to the channel, share with your family and friends, and give us that like. Hit that like button right now, please. Thank you so much. All right, please help us out on Super Thanks if you can. We love you guys, and we're gonna catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and we'll watch a couple more. Have a great weekend, everyone. This is our producer, Buddy. He wants to know why you haven't subscribed to the channel yet. Please hit us up with a like and super thanks. Love you guys. We'll catch you on the next one.